Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat available in Teams and Outlook. This was first released in October 31, 2024. It was just updated today. For those of you who do not know what this means, is you have the ability to pin Copilot into both Teams on the left rail or in Outlook in the top bar as well. And that can be done either by your administration or the user themselves. Now, there's a few things that you probably need to know. One of the biggest ones is, in order to have it done automatically for you, they're going to start late in January and go through mid-February for a general release across all tenants. So that it is coming. However, that being said, one of the things that they also talked about was the fact that if your end user, you already pinned it, it's not going to ignore that, or worse yet, to get rid of it for you. It will actually grandfather you in. So that's something you want to keep in mind. For those of you who have a Microsoft Copilot license and you have not had it pinned as of yet, when this goes through to your tenant, it will actually pin it for you in your Microsoft Teams as well as in Outlook, unless it has been either blocked or altered by your administration. In order to do that in Microsoft Teams, you can go into the Teams apps. You can actually go into where you can actually pin or unpin different parts or applications, rather in the left rail as an entire organization. That is something that's available to you. Now, that being said, administrators out there for Microsoft Teams or for the M365 tenant, I'm talking to you, you global admin. One of the things you have to keep in mind is the fact that they will be able to go to the Microsoft store and purchase a Copilot license unless you block it there. So it's something to keep in mind. Just because you may not have purchased it, Microsoft has made it somewhat easy. If you do not keep track of things, where they can actually go out and purchase a license on their own. I would highly recommend going to your Microsoft service provider or to Microsoft directly if that's who you are working with, whether you have an EA agreement, so enterprise agreement with them, or something else. The reason why is you would at least get a better pricing or rate for Microsoft Copilot licenses if you go through the appropriate means versus going to the store where you'll end up paying top dollar, as you can kind of imagine.